and bila education hautaweza kupatia nini kufunza watoto the right way. So basically due to that nika decide I have to get my paperwork from scratch. Na as far as federation is concerned, wametusaidia sana kutuletea hizi coaching courses mtaani, and zimesaidia sana at a subsidized rate whereby kila mtu anaweza afford, and that means that ata the boys who are coming up, they will get good education from educated coaches. As far as impact, we'll train, I'll be training the players who come to co-educated, you know what I'm saying? And apart from that, apart from co-educated, ndapatia the right knowledge, si guesswork, unaona? So due to that, tutapata wachezaji kutoka a young age, unaona? Wanakuja wakiwa nini? Wakiwa na proper training, unaona? And proper education.
Actually, like Evelyn, practicing coach, it's self-satisfying when you see you're nurturing young talents and going further to to the levels that sikufika, like to the levels that other people in the country hawajafika, other players. So you know, one of the motivation. The second motivation, it's a career of itself. It's a career of itself. So at least about the CBC, they have now identified that talent can be a career. So like coaching, so you can go to international school, high schools and all that. They are embracing the career of being a coach. Actually, coaching is like being a doctor, because you're impacting into people's life, you're impacting knowledge that can bring something on the table of that person. So coaching is really